All right, I just want to share another meal idea with you guys, especially with those who wants to get shredded, like this. That shredded physique won me my IFBB Pro card back in 2018. In this bowl we have charred kale, onions, jalapenos, tomatoes, ground beef, cheese, salt, pepper. And on this plate we have sweet potatoes with cinnamon. And here's the calories and macros. All right, this is MyFitnessPal app for those who are not familiar with it. This meal has 1,411 calories. It consists of 10 ounces of 85-15 ground beef, 100 grams of kale, 100 grams of chard, 100 grams of onions, 100 grams of tomatoes, 45 grams of jalapenos, 2 ounces of cheese, which is 56 grams, 500 grams of sweet potatoes, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Also, the macros for this is 83 grams of protein, 132 grams of carbohydrates, 26 grams of fiber, and 63 grams of fat. Usually this would be a keto meal, but gotta finish off the rest of the sweet potatoes. These are the sweet potatoes I harvested back in December 2021. Anyway, so for more meal ideas, y'all come back and holler at me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help this channel grow. See y'all back on the next one. Time for me to eat.